Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the system. Make sure the laptop is plugged in or has more than 20% battery so the report completes reliably. Once ready, open an elevated command prompt using Win plus X then A, because admin rights are required to generate the file. Next, type powercug/battery report and press enter. This creates an HTML file and shows the path. You do this now to capture detailed usage and design capacity data, which is the foundation for checking health. Once done, open the battery report HTML in your browser so you can read it visually. This is faster than guessing. Look under Installed Batteries and compare design capacity versus full charge capacity to calculate wear level. A lower full charge means reduced health. Then review recent usage and battery capacity history to see patterns and cycle count. These explain why runtime changed. Make sure to note the reported battery life estimates and how they align with your real. Now act on the findings. Calculate percent wear using 100 times 1 minus full charge over design capacity so you know health numerically. If numbers look off, calibrate the battery by charging fully, discharging to about 5%, then charging fully again to improve reporting accuracy. Finally, verify changes with a new battery report. If the report fails or is missing, make sure you ran command prompt as admin and that Windows is up to date. This fixes most PowerCug issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.